sing a special song about the letter S. Say yes to S, say yes to S. So many super letters, S is one of the best. You gotta shout it and sing it, you're sure to have success. Say yes to S. Say yes. Twins and swirls and saucy spaghetti, sauerkraut and sardines. Smiles and socks and soggy salamanders, sprinkles and submarines. So many spilled spinach dip on an iceberg coat. Red sparrow looks suspicious. Say yes to S, say yes to S, say yes, say yes to S, to S, say yes, say yes to S. Oh, yes. The sound coming out of the speaker was quite satisfactory.
Hey pandas, good morning. Say yes to S. Say yes to S. Yes, letter S is our letter of the day. It's all about S. Hip, hip, hooray. All right, a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, little pandas. So glad to see you and 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 you. Silent cheer. All right, pandas, let's make it a great day. Let's see what our plans are for today. Bear Cub University presents Panda Virtual Academy. It is a Wednesday, October 7th. Yes, 7, just like days in the week. It's the 7th day of October, and our letter is yes. Say yes to S. It is the letter S, capital S and lowercase s. Our kinder skill focus, numbers and counting. And our story time for today is called Apples and Pumpkins by Anne Rockwell, illustrated by Lizzie Rockwell. And this will be our story for story time later on. Remember, all in the month of October, our stories are focusing on the fall and autumn theme and different activities during that time, right? I'm really excited to read that story along with you guys. Okay, pandas, can you please and thank you stand for the Pledge of Allegiance? Hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, Panda Bears. Okay, it's time for, you guessed it, the Panda Dance, the Bear Cub alma mater. Hands on hips, smile on lips, a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Panda, panda, turn around. Panda, panda, touch the ground. Panda, panda, reach up high. Yeah, really high. Panda, panda, wink one eye. Panda, panda, pat your knees. Panda, panda, turn around and freeze! Freeze, Panda Bears! Good job, silent cheer. And as you know, our kinder skill focus is counting and numbers. Are you ready to count? Thumbs up. Are you ready to count? Shout it out. Say yeah! Yes, yeah, just like yes for yes. Yes for the letter S. Yes, for counting fun. Okay, here we go. Let's practice our pat, clap, pat, clap. Get our rhythm going. Pat, clap, pat, clap. Okay, here we go. All the way to 30. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And silent chair. Good job. What if we do a countdown from 30 all the way back to 0? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, we're going to stretch high in the sky. We're going to start at 30 and we're going to count backward. 30, 29, 28. Okay, if you're learning how to count backwards, you can listen and do the stretches and follow along and listen and hear, and then you can join in when you're ready. Yes, it's a great plan. Here we go. Ready, set, counting backwards from 30. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Silent cheer. Way to go, Panda Bears. All right. Oh, counting by fives? Yes, we practiced that last week. We can count by fives. Okay, you ready? We'll just clap it out. Ready, set, counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Way to go. Nice counting by fives. All right, I have a fun chart for us. It is our colors and shapes bingo. So I was thinking, what better way to practice all 3 of our Kinder Skill Focus all together? Because remember, Monday, yes, Colors Monday. That's what we mostly focus on, right? It's colors. And then on Wednesday, we practice numbers and counting. And then on Friday, we practice shapes. Yes, that's when you meet your fun shapes, right? Yes, like Sarah's star and different things. So Mondays, colors, Wednesdays, numbers and counting, and Fridays, shapes. What if we practice counting colorful shapes? Yes, if we practice counting colorful shapes, it's a tongue twister. If we practice counting colorful shapes, we can practice all 3 Kinder Skill Focus all in one. So I'm going to see how this might work the best. Is I'm going to put it right up here underneath our chart, just like this. I know it's hard to see the bottom, so I'll move it down. Thank you. Perfect. Just like that. We might need to move it down a tiny bit more. And then, let's see, can we see the bottom? Ooh, we can. I'll do it a tiny bit. There we go. Wonderful. All right, pandas, give me a thumbs up. Can you see it? Fantastic. This says color and shapes bingo. So if you played this game, you would match the shape, and if we called out that color and shape, you would put your little marker on it. But we're going to use this to practice counting today, all right? So first, we are going to count all the shapes. Are you ready? I know, I'm not sure. I don't know, it's gonna be a surprise. You wanna know how high we're counting? It's gonna be a surprise. You have to count with me. You ready? Okay, here we go. We're gonna start at the top at all the white shapes, okay? And then we'll move down here and we're gonna go across. So we'll start right here. We're gonna go across, 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 and across. Here we go. Ready, set. Oh yeah, that's a great idea to use the pointer finger. There we go. We have our pointer finger. Okay, pandas, ready, set, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep going, we can do it. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. We're halfway to 100. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Silent cheer. Pandas, that was amazing. Thank you for listening and counting along with us. Colors, shapes, and counting. All of our main kinder skill focus. Yes, you guys are amazing. Oh yeah, you want to shout out the color? Sure, what color? Red, all the red shapes. What color? Orange. What color? Yellow. What color? Green. What about up here? What color? White. What about this? Blue. Pink. Good. What color? Purple. What color? Brown. And what color? Black. Silent cheer for counting and colors. Yes, and then we'll get this out again on Friday for shape identification fun, okay? And you can shout out the shapes. Yes, way to go. That was super fun. And you guys did such a wonderful job. I'm so proud of you. Counting to 60. You guys are awesome. Okay, friends, it is time for calendar time. Calendar time. Calendar time is oh so fine. Calendar time. Calendar time. Calendar time is oh so fine. Let's get out our calendar. We'll put it right up here like we do so we can all see it and we can practice the date. All right, here we go. I'll move it a little bit closer, friends. There we are. Let's see. We'll get all situated so we can see the calendar really, really well. Okay. Ta-da! Here, I'll move it up a tiny bit. All right, here we go. So, when we were last in class, it was Monday, October 5th. Yes, it was. It was number 5. Yeah, we talked a lot about the number 5. But yesterday was Tuesday, and it was the number after 5. It's the number 6. Good job. So we'll put a 6 under Tuesday right there. Now, today is Wednesday. Can everyone say Wednesday? Good, it's Wednesday. We're still in the month of October, and it is the number after 6. Shout out the number after 6. What number comes after 6? Yes, 7. Just like 7 days in a week. Today is the 7th day of October. So I know you guys have lots of practice making the number 7. Show me. Good. I see a lot of, here, let me come in the middle. I see lots of 5s and 2s out there, and lots of 2s and 5s to make 7. I see some 4s and 3s, and then some people did the 3 first and then the 4. All those ways make 7. Repeat after me, please. Say, today is. Good. Wednesday, October 7th, 2020. Nice job. Okay, Panda Bears. If we know, yesterday was what day? Shout it out if you know it. What day was it yesterday? Yes, yesterday was Tuesday. And if we know that yesterday was Tuesday, what day is it today? We said it already. It's what? Yes, Wednesday. So we'll put Wednesday under today. And if we know today is Wednesday, tomorrow is what day? That's right, Thursday. One more time. Let's say it all together. Okay, yes, all together. 1, 2, 3. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Oh, again? Sure. Do you want to repeat it? Okay, you repeat it this time. Say, yesterday was Tuesday. So we're pointing, we're saying goodbye yesterday, goodbye Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Good. Say, today is Wednesday. Nice. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Way to go. Today is Wednesday, October 7th, 2020. Days of the week. 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 Sing with me. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 One more time. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. 7 days in a week. Ta-da! How many days are in a week? Shout it out. 7. Good. And what day is it today? The name of the day today is what? Wednesday. Good job, Panda Bears. All right, it's time to work on those months of the year. Can you say that? Months of the year. And what month are we in? We talked about it. It's the month that starts with the O. Yes, October. Yes, and October is the 10th month of the year. Remember, October is 10. We have the months up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's October. We moved it up there. 11, 12. So there's 12 months in the year, and October is the 10th month. And yes, a dozen is another word for 12, right? Yes, dozen eggs, dozen donuts. That's 12 donuts, 12 eggs. Good job. Okay, months of the year song. Oh, on Monday, I gave you homework. a little challenge to practice the months of the year song. Raise your panda paw if you practice the month of the year song. I see some panda paws. Good job. Would you guys like to work on it and practice it all together? Sounds great. Okay, let me move this back once again. Make sure you have lots of space because we are going to do a big dance to the months of the year. So I want to make sure you have lots of space and you're not going to bump into anything and you're all good. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can do it a little bit taller. Ta-da! Ta-da! We did it. Okay, here we go. Months of the year song. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. These are the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. These are the months. We'll shout them only once, and we'll shout them loud enough for all to hear. Shout them out after me, friends. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Awesome. These are the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. These are the months. We shouted them only once, and we shouted them loud enough for all to hear. Ta-da! Good job, show your panda paws. Nice work, Bear Cubs. I can really tell, pandas, that you have been working really hard on that months of the year song. And thank you so much for shouting out all the months and practicing them. I know it's fun and it's easier to remember when there's a song involved, right? Like with the days of the week and the months of the year. I agree. I love songs because they stay in our heads and we'll be driving the car and they just come into our heads and we'll start singing them, and it helps us practice and memorize all different things, right? Our days of the week, our months of the year, color songs. Songs are great. And guess what? Songs start with our letter of the day. Songs start with the letter S. Songs. We'll get to the letter S in a minute, but first, we need to practice our season song, another song. And seasons and song both start with the letter S too. Seasons, song. I know, so many S's. Let's practice our season song. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Winter, spring, summer, fall. There's 4 seasons, 4 in all. Winter, spring, summer, fall. Winter, spring, summer, fall. There's 4 seasons, 4 in all. How many seasons, pandas? 4. Good. And what season are we in? Fall or autumn. Leaves falling down. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Leaves falling down, falling on the ground. Touch the ground. Red, yellow, orange, brown, triangle, oval, and round again. Leaves falling down, falling on the ground. Red, yellow, orange, brown, triangle, make your triangle, oval, and round. Silent cheer, pandas. Amazing, great practice. Yes, with your season song, way to go. And the leaves falling down. Okay, it's time to be whatever men and ladies again. So it is time to check the weather. All right, let's go over to our window. And weather people, what do we see? Oh, yes. All right. So after you've checked out the weather, come back and please show me what kind of weather you see. All righty, yes. Yep, show me. Please, nice. Yep, I see lots of this. Yeah. Yes, yes, if the leaves are moving, then it's windy. Good job. A few clouds, yes. Are they big clouds? If they're big clouds, make them really big. If they're small clouds, just make them tiny like this. Good. How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? You ready? Please, when we sing the weather song, show me our symbols, our motions for each weather. How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? Show me the sun. Yes, it starts with S. Is it rainy? Show me rain. Is it cloudy? Make the clouds. Is it snowy? The snowballs and snowflakes. Is it windy? How's the weather today? Good job. Okay, we're gonna sing it one more time, and this time I want you to show me thumbs up if it's that type of weather, or if it's not that type of weather, thumbs down. So this means yes, show me yes, and then show me no. Good job. Show me yes, show me no. How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it sunny? If it's sunny, this. If you don't see the sun, show me this. Is it sunny? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it snowy? Is it windy? Is it stormy? How's the weather today? Great job once again with the weather. That is so much fun. I love the weather song as well. Okay, it's the long-awaited time for all about the letter of the day. And guess what? I just realized that I was letting letter R still shine up there. We had all the other things change over to S, but Miss Brooke forgot to change it to S from R. So I need your help. Do you guys think you can help me? I think so. You think you can help me? Yeah, thumbs up if you can help. Okay, here we go. I want you to help me find the letter S to put it up there, okay? So shout it out if you know what letter this is. It's O, so it's not S. O, shout out the letter if you see it. O, good job. What letter is this? We haven't come to this letter yet. If you know it, shout it out. Y. Y. We'll learn about this letter in a few weeks. Ooh, that letter is to the side. What if I flip it this way? Yes. Ooh, flip starts with this letter. F. F. Good job. You guys are so smart. Ooh, we haven't come to this letter, but we talk about when we're doing our worksheets. Remember on this worksheet, we say, hey, you circle the letter, but you cross out. That cross out is the letter X. Good job, X. Oh, wait a minute. What letter is that? It's S. So we're gonna bring S over here. Okay, letter R. You have to go back. Letter S, it's letter S's day to shine. Okay, thank you guys so much for helping me with that. That was pretty fun practicing. So we're gonna grab all of our letter S materials to practice finding things that start with our letter of the day. So I'll put all these right over here, and I'll bring this down. There we go, friends. Okay, awesome. We are ready to rock and roll, as Pete the cat would say, right? Yes, rock and roll with the letter S. First thing I would like you to do, pandas, is we are going to do more of our air tracing. So we have our capital S and our lowercase s, uppercase, lowercase, big, small. If you have your golden yellow S's and you want to put it on the ground or on the table and practice finger tracing with me, that would be fantastic. Okay, let's try it. So take your pointer finger, capital S. I know, it's kind of like a snake, you're right. So we're gonna start at the top and it's going to curve and come down and around. And yes, S is kind of tricky. So we just keep practicing making that motion. You can maybe play with some Play-Doh or something later, or glue things on just to get this motion down. So you want to practice doing that over and over and over again. Yes, and you can practice counting at the same time, your capital S and your lowercase s. So you're going to practice your finger tracing. Good job. Lots and lots of times. Yes, it makes the S sound. Yeah, we'll practice that with our poem in a minute. So we have our capital S and our lowercase s. Remember, you will get lots of practice with the star of the show. Show starts with S, and star starts with S, and so does shark. So you will practice, remember, 4 times tracing little or lowercase s, 4 times tracing capital S, and then you'll circle all the capital and lowercase s's and X. Cross out all the letters that are not S. And then down here, I give you a couple more spots to practice tracing over, and then I want you to try to make the capital and lowercase s all by yourself. Remember, it's all practice space here. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's for us to practice and do our very best, okay? So just work hard and keep practicing. And then we have our shark over here that you can color in, and you can color in your star. Yeah, Sarah star. And what you can do, remember, you can practice tracing over the outline of the star for Sarah's star. Yes, and that will help you because we talked a lot about last week that the shape of the star is a pretty challenging shape to draw, right? Yes, it is. So we need lots and lots of practice. And what I did for our arts and crafts and our cutout and tear art for our capital and lowercase is we did the star again. So you can practice tracing around this star or inside the star. You can do lots of different lines and practice making the formation of that shape. Okay, sounds great. Let's do our letter S poem. And we did our letter S storybots at the beginning. I love starting the day with the storybots now. Yes, it's a nice quick short video and it helps us kind of get into the letter of the day. Helps us think about, hey, that's gonna be our letter. I'm gonna think of as many things that start with that letter, right? Yes. Okay, I would like you to listen this first time. Oh, but before we do, you're right. We need to check out the picture. What do you see? You see music notes, singing. Ooh, yeah, and a microphone. They're under the C. Good job. Setting. Setting starts with S. You will see the letter S so very often. It's one of the letters that's used a lot more than others. Yes, a lot of things start with it. A seahorse, good. And a salmon, nice. Or a fish, yep, he's a salmon. All right, so we're gonna listen the first time and then I'll have you say it. A salmon and a seahorse were singing in the sea. Such a silly song. And there's that exclamation point. We say it with excitement. Your turn. So I will say the sentence and then I'll have you repeat it. Or I'll say the line and have you repeat it. A salmon and a seahorse. Your turn. Good, pandas. We're singing in the sea. Nice job. S, s, s. Again, nice. Such a silly song. Good. Let's say it one more time all together. Ready, set, go. A salmon and a seahorse were singing in the sea. Such a silly song. Way to go, Panda Bears. All right, excellent job with your poem. I have our letter cards. What is this that starts with an S? Sandcastle. Sandcastle. What about, oh, I love these. It's Miss Brooks' favorite flower. It's a sunflower. Sunflower. What about, oh, sunglasses. Sunglasses. Yes, to help protect our eyes from the bright sun. I love sunglasses too. How many of you wear sunglasses? Yeah, the sun's too bright. You wear sunglasses. What about sailboat? Sailboat. Okay, one more time. Sailboat. Sunglasses. Sunflower. And sandcastle. All start with what sound, pandas? Make the sound. Good. All start with the letter S. Okay, we do have 2 sight word sentences. Sight and sentences both start with S as well. Okay, here is the first one. What is that starts with S? Snakes. Good job. This sentence says, I see, how many? What number is that? Show me. Good, or you count them. 2 snakes. Again, let's say it all together. I see 2 snakes. Great job, pandas. What about this one? Let's count. What is it first? Can you see? Yes, it's a squirrel. And how many squirrels do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Show me 4. Good job. Say, I see 4 squirrels. Your turn. Good job. One more time all together. I see 4 squirrels. Number 4. Yep, there's the 4 as a number, and the 4 is the word. Great job. Wow, pandas. Calendar time has come to an end. I hope you guys had so much fun. I know I sure did. And I hope you have a wonderful time doing your free play and your worksheets and your arts and crafts. So make it a great Wednesday, pandas, and we'll see you all back here on Friday. Thanks so much. Bye.